again. I'm Anthony, and I'm going to give you a few words about the workshops that we're doing. I'm practicing generally in Bali, Indonesia, and in Australia, and in Europe, and in the US. So you'll find on the appropriate page on this site some information about the workshops that are coming up and that you may be interested to do. Here's what a workshop looks like. We use conscious loving techniques of Gay and Katie Hendricks, other intuition exercises and intimacy exercises that we do in groups, in twos and threes, or in a group as a whole. And then we develop a principle or an intention that we would like to bring to a breathwork session. And then through that breathwork session, I will guide you, reminding you and reconnecting you with your intention. And at the end of the breathwork session, we will then have a sharing and a chat about what that meant for you. And often we find that somebody will articulate something for somebody else that really helps them bring something back from the experience that they can use to integrate into their daily lives. So you are practically guaranteed an aha moment if you come to one of these workshops. And if you check out the titles, you'll see what kind of things we'll be covering. Things like victim triangle and how to stay out of that. Things about understanding what an unconscious commitment is and how to make conscious ones instead. Understanding what commitments are and how they can actually be a freedom rather than a tight enclosure. Learning how to maintain relationships and speak from one's true self instead of having to hide behind a persona. Making peace with forgiveness for those that we've had the most difficulty forgiving. Learning about soul contracts and what we may have really asked for to happen in this life, so we can learn how to step out of our own victimhood and into our true empowerment. So these are just some of the things that we'll be doing in our workshops and training weekends. So please check with us and register if you'd like to know if one's coming to your area. Thanks for coming. I'm Anthony Abbagnano again with the Alchemy of Breath, and I will hope to meet you personally one day.